pull up on it, just like that. Pops right out, a firm grip. You know, don't pull too far, break your wires. Next thing you do is you pop off the boot. Just like that. There's the wires underneath. And there's a rubber boot beneath it that pops out. Just like this. It's for soundproofing. Just squeeze it toward the center, and we have our clip. Squeeze the ends of the clip, back end, pop out, and we have our rubber part out. We have the boot, pull the wire through. Just like that. In my case, my stick shift knob is illuminated, and as you can see, it's been damaged. I checked it earlier and found that I had power to the car side, but I wasn't getting power. I wasn't getting any kind of continuity through the stick shift knob. So purchased a new one. Here's the new one, and just thread the plug back through the way it came out. Threads back through. Have our boot, and it's kind of obvious how it goes on. There's a lumpy side to the passenger. Thread it through, and then fish out the plug, and it'll only connect one way, so you can't plug it in wrong. Click it together, and you're ready to reverse the assembly process. Now, while you were here, if you had a light out in one of these, one of your buttons on an M Roadster, you could push it out right here, pop this out, and then pop the plug off the back. Any one of these can be popped out. This is the easy way to get to any of these button guys for replacement or light replacement. To put this nearby, so we reassemble the stick shift knob, tuck the plug down inside, out of the way of the shifting mechanism, and you want to have, you know, most of your wire tucked inside, but have just enough to, you know, do your work. Squeeze this back in place, your insulation down to the lip. Okay, then align the boot. Now, once again, hopefully you've got, you know, most of your wire tucked inside so that it doesn't get caught. The way it's designed is there's a wire out each side, so we want to try to run the wire down either side of the shift column, kind of like that. And if you do the boot and the stick shift knob together, you won't have to worry about pushing the wires down inside the boot. Later on. If you put the boot on first, you're going to have to stick the wires inside. If you do them together, you won't have that problem. So we're working on trying to keep wires on either side. I'm going to go ahead and pull the boot all the way up, and out of the way. Right? Wires on either side, and then you just, If you turn it a little bit, you'll feel the notch kick into place. Just pop it down, and it's on. If you have some extra wire, you can tuck those down inside the crack in the foam here. So the wires are on either side. And then you're ready to just pop the boot down into place. And it just clicks right in. And you've replaced your stick shift knob. And there it is.